na, Brigada Eskwela na.
Brigada Eskwela na, ang PNHS ipag-orgulyo ta. Mga proyekto pagtarabangan ta, nganing pag-asenso mamatean ta. Magkasararo, maestro, maestra, eskwela magurang, ang komunidad katuwang. Sa pantindo, ikako magkaburonyo.
Pili National High School invites everyone to Brigada Eskwela 2025 this June with the theme Brigada Eskwela, Sama-sama para sa Bayang Bumabasa.
Our school is in need of your usual support as we prepare for the opening of school year 2025-2026.
Parents, students, teachers, and stakeholders, you are all part of our school family. Let's work together to make Pili National High School a better place to learn.
Bring your tools, your smiles, and your helping and generous hearts.
Together, let's make our school clean, safe, and ready.
Kahit konting oras sa tulong, malaking bagay na. Brigada Eskwela Orientation Schedule: June 3, Grade 7.
June 4, Grade 8 and 11.
June 5, Grade 9.
June 10, Grade 10 and 12.
June 9, Brigada Eskwela Grand Kickoff.
So don't miss it. Join us in making a difference.
For more information, look for Brigada Eskwela Coordinators: Ma'am Julia Retubio, Junior High School; Sir Ericus Reganala, Senior High School.
Assistant School Principal 2, Ma'am Sherlina H. De La Torre. Secondary School Principal 3, Sir Reynaldo P. Lopez. Pili National High School, para sa bata, para sa bayan, para sa kinabukasan.
Maghimate, magandam, magtabang, para sa lambang aki na satong namumutan. Tara na, sama-sama sa Brigada Eskwela.
Brigada Eskwela na, ang PNHS ipag-orgulyo ta. Mga proyekto pagtarabangan ta, nganing pag-asenso mamatean ta. Magkasararo, maestro, maestra, eskwela magurang, ang komunidad katuwang. Sa pantindo, ikako magkaburonyo.